Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to silver.international, and today we're taking a look at the last Beatrix 10 Gulden in this series, which is from 1999 and commemorated the changeover to a new millennium. Links to the videos about the earlier Beatrix 10 Guldens can be found in the description box, and these span the years of 1994 to 1997. And I know you might be wondering, why is there no Beatrix 10 Gulden from 1998 in the series? Well, I tried to find out, but it actually amazed me how elusive the answer is to this question. I just couldn't find it, and I spent quite some time on this, so yeah, sorry, I don't have an answer for this. The commemorative Millennium coin has a fine silver composition of 0.800 or 80%, which means that out of the 12 gram total weight, 10.8 grams is actual silver. And with today's spot price, the melt value would be around the €5.30. So on the right over here we have the regular version, which was minted in a quantity of about 1.1 million pieces. And the catalog value of this regular version ranged from spot price for the dirty, cold, damaged ones to €9 for the uncirculated condition, and this is in quite good condition, so it would reach the €9. And there's also the fleur de coin version, meaning flower of the stamp or brilliant uncirculated. I don't have any lying around at the moment of these, but these were produced in a quantity of 100,000 pieces with a catalog value of €15. And then we have the proof version over here on the left. And these were issued in a volume of 50,000 pieces, and these have a catalog value of €25. A lot of people think both sides of the coins are the same, but they're actually different. So on this side we see the year of 1999 mentioned, and on the other side of the coin we see the year of 2000 mentioned, so there's a difference in the years. And viewers with an eye for detail may have also noticed that there is a little dot in one of the rings on the 2000 side, and it's over here as you can see, and over here it's missing. So what does this mean? And it's actually quite funny, because I always thought these rings and the dot represented the planets in the solar system and their trajectories. But there is only one obstacle though. There are 12 rings, if you count them. And the solar system currently consists of only 8 planets, so that would be 8 rings that are categorized as such. And when these Guldens were issued, 9 planets were labeled as such until 2006, when Pluto got scratched. And Earth is also the 3rd planet as seen from the Sun. And the dot, as you can see over here, is in the most outer ring, the ring 11. So that isn't right. And I also wondered if the design perhaps could represent our Milky Way, with the dot over here representing the location of our solar system in it. In that way the location of the dot seems to make more sense, but I thought the Milky Way is spiral shaped, right? And yes, I know rings and spirals are sort of the same, connected, however you want to call it. But are these 12 rings supposed to symbolize the Milky Way, our Milky Way? Why 12? Did somebody count the spiral arms of our galaxy? I don't know. So anyhow, I also tried to find an answer to this question, but guess what? It's actually a complete mystery, and I think only the designer and a handful of people knows. And what do you people think? Does the design represent our solar system, our Milky Way, or maybe perhaps something else? I would love to hear your ideas about it. And okay, so this was the last silver Beatrix 10 Gulden in this series. Hope you all enjoyed the videos about them, and please consider subscribing if you haven't done already. I appreciate it as always if you leave a like and a comment, and wishing you all a very excellent weekend. God bless and stay safe.